Hey guys, welcome back to T3 Africa. I'm Albie Preston. Today we will be having a conversation with Julius. He is from Accra, Ghana. He's going to be giving us a little insight on his tech career and his tech journey. So please stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time. Hi, I'm Albie Preston. Would you please go ahead and state your name for me, please?
Julius Boakye.
Nice to meet you. Can you go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself and what brought you to the tech space?
Cool. I mentioned my name. My name is Julius Boakye from Ghana, and I'm a software engineer with Talent Corp, a company in Hong Kong, China. I work most on mobile apps and also backend development and let me say full stack engineer precisely. And what brought me to the tech space is for the passion of it. I have passion for tech since I was a kid. Therefore, I just decided to just study computer science, become good at it, and then yes, I'm a community manager for Google Developer Campus, and also the Flutter Flow student ambassador for AfricaT3 University. For Google Developer Groups, I'm the global organizer for online communities, where we organize for online conferences to talk about a lot of things, invite people to talk about a lot of things. So yes, what brought me to tech is for the passion of it. Yeah.
Okay. For somebody that's trying to get into tech, what advice would you give to them?
For someone who is trying to get into tech, I advise you that you do your research and you should know that tech, the space is a constant learning space where you should be ready to learn, right?
Yeah.
The advice is that you should be up for everything. You should read all the time because it is growing all the time, and therefore you have to be someone who likes to read a lot, someone who likes to learn fast, and then even though it's open for all, but you should be ready. Yeah.
Would you say it's a competitive environment? Like
Well,
it's a
maybe it is because it is a very broad area, but getting to know where you belong to is another thing, and yeah, it can be competitive too as well.
yeah. What are some projects you've worked on, or what are some projects you're currently working on right now?
Okay, so I've worked on like not is it like normal work as in community work or can you just
Yeah,
be
just any projects that you have like worked on.
okay? I've worked on the Google crowdsource where we gathered a lot of students to play a gamified application to help make Google's AI brilliant. Basically, what it was doing was that it lets you play a game. All right, it is called Google Crowdsource, where you answer some few questions to help make sure that Google's AI is like knowledgeable about everything in your environment as well, so that it can be accessible to the world. So basically, helping people to make sure that their data are on Google and their culture and festival, everything.
Okay. Are there any current projects you're working on right now?
Yes, I'm working on organizing a conference called the Java Con Europe, and yes, it's where we come together to talk about Python, Django stuffs. It's a Python conference actually. Let me say that. That's the project I'm
Okay.
working
What aspect are you more proficient in? Front end, back end, like what's your main focus?
on. Yes, I'm a full stack engineer, but I normally work on mobile a lot, but I still work everywhere. I'm a full stack.
Okay. In your own words, what do you think tech is? Like, what would you say? How would you describe tech?
Tech is a cool place to be.
Uh-huh.
Tech is a fun place. Tech is a place of learning. Tech is a place of um, getting to know yourself because it lets you go deeper to understand your own self. And
Yeah.
so, yes, tech is a very cool thing. Yeah.
Do you think it's a difficult environment to get into?
No,
No.
it won't be difficult if you do your background research well, where you
Yeah.
know what you're coming to do, you know where you're entering. You don't want to follow that, okay, because Julius is a backend engineer, let me go there. Meanwhile, you don't, maybe you might not have the capacity for that. But if you research and you understand yourself, you should know where you belong in the tech space.
Okay. Where are you hoping your tech career takes you? Are you planning on working for yourself or a big corporate company, or are you more so a individual worker, or you like working with other people?
Uh, I initially didn't want to work with people. I like to sit down myself and just pick up my laptop and work on stuff myself. But when I started working with team, collaborating with other developers, I got to understand that it broadens your knowledge and everything about tech, where you get to learn a lot from your colleagues too as well. So yes, I sometimes like to work by myself, but working with teams and collaborating with other devs is a very nice thing. Um, yes, so I like to work with people.
Okay. And where are you currently located?
I'm currently in Ghana.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Like I'm currently in Ghana,
Oh,
Accra.
okay. And what would you say the biggest challenge is for the tech space in Ghana?
The biggest challenge, uh, maybe finding job sometimes. Yeah, like as a tech, after you're done with computer science degree or anything, finding a job is kind of not too easy. Therefore, the developers intend to apply for remote jobs outside. So most of the Ghanaian developers work with companies outside, just because they don't really have much, job opportunities here in Ghana.
Okay. And is there any other thing you would like to elaborate on?
Well, I would like to say that don't be scared of what I'm saying about tech. Tech is a very fun. Yes. Anyone who really wants to get into the tech space is warmly welcome. I can't wait to invite anyone who wants to get into the tech space. But be sure that you are ready. That's what I'm asking all of us who wants to try it out. And then and also try, and if you don't really understand your path, your way through this, you can start joining communities, start attending conferences, your local conferences around you. We have Google developer groups who host more conferences in Ghana. We have Python groups. We
Yeah.
just find a community around you, join them, talk to people, get the coach, let them help you. You're good to go. And volunteer as well.
Yeah. How would you say you acquired majority of your skills, like through schooling, self-teaching, or mentoring?
Well, I would say that most of it's by myself. I learned myself. As I said, you have to do everything yourself. Since yes, this place is self-learning thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
just do it yourself.
So like school is very broad. It's just to get you like there, and then you have to, okay,
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Um, but yeah, I don't really have any other questions, but
Mm.
do you see yourself mentoring others that wants to get into tech?
Yes, I've mentored a lot of people. As I said, I'm the Google Developer Groups Community
Hmm.
Online Ambassador, where we host conferences, we do workshops, we mentor people who want to get into the tech space. Um, I don't know, Flutter Flow Ambassador as well, whereby we teach people how to code, um, people who don't really have any tech background, how to start coding up or how to build an app, how to get into app development without having to code. Just drag and drop with the new tool that we call Flutter Flow. Yeah, so I mentor people a lot, and I'm still mentoring. I
Okay.
love doing that. So yeah.
Right. So tech, like your passion, is it something you want to do for a long period of time?
Yes, yes, it's something I want to do. Because I enjoy looking at screens and looking at colors of code, trying to solve
Really?
a problem. So I think I'll stay in this space for some time unless I get to the space whereby I feel like let me leave it for the people and focus on business side of it and
Okay.
provide more job for other people.
Okay. That's really great, Julius. It was really nice talking to you. I hope you the best in your tech career. And yeah, is there anything else you would like to say?
I don't have anything known, but I'm just happy that this thing has come up. I'm just hoping that people get to hear this, and I
Yeah.
hope to inspire people as well.
All right. Well, I appreciate you. Our job is basically to get you guys eh, like out, like noticed. So yeah, that's basically our whole motion and reason for this. So it was really nice you being part of it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the invite. Thank you, and I hope to be here once again soon.
Of course. I like your energy. It's really it's
Thank
really nice.
you. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Is